2006 Dodge Charger RT, and yes, it's got a Hemi. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, 2-owner car, and when I say confirmed miles, listen to this, 1,811. That's 1,811. This car is basically like it came off the showroom floor. Take a look at the front fascia, grille. It will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that's included in the price. And that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call us at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures of this vehicle. Be able to see the engine bay, the undersides. So we take a close look at the polished wheels. Up and down the passenger side, you can see it's free of nicks, dings, or scratches. Light gray, leather interior, bucket seats, of course, up front. Automatic transmission with overdrive. Center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer. You can see it also has a power sunroof that is in working order. Of course, all your modern amenities underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Now remember, we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. If you wanted somebody to come take a peek at this, you're more than welcome to. Maybe you can't make it yourself because of distance or time. Third-party inspectors always welcome. Although with a clean Carfax and a 2-owner car, there's no surprises on this one. And again, 1,811 miles. You'll be able to see a driving video of this car going down the road. We try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the pictures in the video. Take a look at the rear seats. Doesn't appear, it looks like it's even been sat in. Like I said, this car basically looks like it did on the showroom floor back in 2006. So of course, 5.7 liter Hemi underneath the hood. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side, as you can see, and just take a look at the seating surface. Really lack of much wear at all, but it's what you'd expect with this kind of miles. Of course, tilt column steering wheel controls, driver's information center. Let's fire it up. There it is, your exact miles, 1,811. AM, FM, cassette, and CD player. Dual climate control. Heated seats. And of course that automatic, and it can be shifted manually too, plus or minus down the drive. AC blows cold. Holy smokes, it'll freeze you out of here. Top of the dash looks good. Like I said, no surprises. What you'd expect with this kind of miles. Headliner, all good. I have not really noticed any modifications on it either. Sounds as you'd expect. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to pop the hood. I think we know what it's going to look like underneath there, but let's take a look. Check out the underside of the hood, hood liner. Look at how clean that is. This thing has definitely not been driven in inclement weather either. There's that Hemi. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Shoot, it's not even dusty underneath here. Looking for a nice, clean, low-mile car? Here it is, 2006 Dodge Charger RT. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extended out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. Clean Carfax, 2-owner. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2006 Dodge Charger with amazingly low miles, less than 2,000 miles on this Dodge Charger. White on the outside and gray, it looks like, on the inside with black. Excellent power from this Hemi. All our gauges are working. Radio's playing Eddie Money. Sounds great. AC is working, blowing cold. Smooth ride. I would say it feels like a new car, but it is pretty much a new car with less than 2,000 miles on it. No problem staying straight in the lane, let it go with the wheel. This is your 4-door Charger, so you can bring the family and still be running a Charger. White face gauges. They go well with the white paint. Corner is excellent. Acceleration very good. Take a look at all the pictures of this 2006 Dodge Charger and read all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.